Hello, good afternoon. Well, today I'm just gonna draw number part on the first page, which is called as number one. Okay, and I will try to share my screen with you. Okay, my SolidWorks, and I will try to draw this as I promised. I will try to draw this part. Okay, firstly, I'm gonna to start my work with top plane normal to this part. As you did, it is a little bit, maybe some of you may build it, but it is a little bit difficult to build actually. So I'm gonna to work on top plane, rectangle. Yeah, start from origin point and build a rectangle, make a rectangle. Now dimension, this one is 170. Yeah, at least if you have in these papers, you may have problems with the dimensions sometimes. When you have such this problem, you may assume something, okay? But try to, as much as possible, to try to be logic, okay? In a logic, try to assume some things. Here, I got 70 and 170, okay? And now I'm going to feature, and I will extrude my part by 28. Yeah. Now, isometric. I'm gonna, now the direction is not correct. That's why I'm gonna do back to 3 diagram and edit my sketch. This one is 70. And here is 170. Right. Now it looks good. Okay. And you have to confirm your change. Okay. This is the part with up to here. Now the problem here is on this, actually this sketch. That's why I'm gonna to work on this sketch. Select this plane, normal to, okay. Now, firstly, I'm gonna to, let's say, sketch, use line, okay. Here, I'm gonna to start to build, but be careful, as I said, never start from midpoint or end of the line because it will be defined. That's why we have to start from here, use a line from here to here. This line, as you can see, is horizontal, okay, but this one not, okay. Now, build a line here. It should be vertical, definitely, line, okay, up to here. Now another line here, one more is here. As much as possible, as you can see here, it's suggesting some point, but as much as possible, do not select the suggested points. Look, okay, we build this. Now we are gonna to actually add properties, okay. Property which I'm gonna to add here, definitely I have to use my control key in my keyboard. So before doing anything, be careful. This one should be horizontal. This one should be horizontal. Here is vertical, and this one is vertical. If yours is not vertical, as mine, you can select it, okay. When you select, you can say that make it vertical, okay. So these two should be horizontal, and these two should be vertical, okay. Now, I'm gonna to say that this point, okay, take control key on your keyboard, and this point are horizontal. It means that they are passing through the same way, okay. This one, do the same for these 2 points, okay. It's horizontal, okay. This point and this point is vertical, and this one and this one is vertical, okay. Be careful. What I did here, I tried to, I made properties for the points, okay. Now what I can do here, now I can say that, okay, I can, let's say I can do this one too, okay. These two is these two is parallel, okay, and these two should be parallel, okay. Now I wanted to check something here. For checking, you can pick this point, okay, and you can do a change. Your sketch should be as like as mine, okay. So I can pick a point and I can reshape my sketch actually, okay. Now it's time to put dimension. Here is, as previous time I said, much better in complex sketches, much better to start with small sizes. This one is the smallest one, is 1/6, okay, which is given on the paper, okay. Now, this one and these two, okay, this distance is given as 60, right? And here, these two should be 60, look, as like as mine. If I select the 60, it will be yellow. It means that we don't need that dimension, okay? It's extra dimension. That's why I'm not going to put this dimension, and I'm going to cancel it, okay? Now, what I'm trying to do here, I will try to reshape again. Look, when I'm reshaping this one, it's possible to reshape it, okay? So I can make change, look. Now, I'm gonna to put one more dimension here as 160, 16 actually, okay? Now, try to reshape again, okay? When you reshape it, you can move this sketch only in this direction. It means that we need to, when the well define where the place of this one point is, okay? This one is 170, okay? I'm going to say that, okay, distance from here to here, okay? The length is 170. It means that if I try to put on the mid, it will be 85 plus 8. 85 plus 8. Okay. Now, is that correct? 170. Let me try it. 170 divided by 2. It is 85 minus, sorry, 85 minus 8. It will be 77. Okay. Now, as you can see here, my sketch here is fully defined. Now I can go to ISO. Okay. I can extrude my part, my sketch 26 given on the paper. Okay. Okay. Right. Now I am gonna to, okay, build. I'm going to continue my work in this direction, this one, normal 2. Okay. Now I'm going to use again line. This time I wanted to build the internal part of the internal sketch. Okay. Now be careful when you build this. This one is perpendicular. If yours is not perpendicular, you can select the line and you can say this two is perpendicular. Okay. Definitely these two should, all of these corners should be perpendicular. Okay. Now what I can do, look, I can deform this part as like as mine. Okay. Now I'm gonna to say that this one is 28. Okay, and this one is 28. Okay, the only things which here I have to do is, okay, I have to place this point, this one in a suitable plane, okay, in a suitable location. Okay, I can try in different ways, but now I'm gonna make a use center line, and I'm gonna to find the center of this shape using this center line. This center line is constructive line. It means that it is not actually it will not be represented in this in the figure. Look here. Now I can say that, let me try this. Distance from here to here is 77. Oh, oops. before this one is representing the angle. Look at, we can say that these two lines is parallel. Okay, good. Now I can say distance from here to here is 77. And is that 77? No, sorry, 85. 85 at the mid. Okay, and here to here, from here to here, it's on the mid. It means that it is 75. Sorry, 35. Okay, now as you can see, my sketch right now is black. It means that I can go to isometric and I can do cut extrude. Since the dip is not clearly given on the figure, it means that it is through all. Okay, confirm it. Now, here we have some parts. We can build these parts in different ways, but I'm gonna to build this one in the simplest way actually. Okay, I'm gonna to try something. Look here, select this one, normal 2. Okay, sketch rectangle from here to here. Okay, this is the rectangle. Now I can say this one is 160, 16. Okay, it will be black. Look, have a look to the sketch. I made the base. You may extrude this one up to here, and then you can cut extrude it. I will try to show you how it is possible. Look here, extrude. Okay, up to, let's say, surface. Which surface? This surface. Okay, confirm. Okay, we build this part. Now we can use this plane, normal 2. Okay, line from here to here. It will be, this rectangle should be black itself because all the points is clearly defined. Look, we have this sketch. Okay, and look, say cut extrude, confirm. Now I have the same here. I can do the same, but I'm gonna to show you how we can use mirror to build the same feature in this part. Okay, select this in the plane, reference geometry and plane. I'm gonna to define a new plane here. This plane will be parallel with this plane. Okay, few seconds I have to wait. Sorry, my computer is very old. All right, you can see I tried to build a new plane, but this plane is 170 plus divided by 2. It is 85 distance, but not in this direction. You have to flip the direction. It is on the mid of the part right now. Okay, now what I build using reference geometry and plane, I made a new plane here. Okay, I'm gonna confirm. Now you can see this is the plane. Okay, now already this plane is selected. Go to feature and select actually mirror. Okay, when you select the mirror here, you have some choices. We are gonna to work on features to mirror. Now in 3 diagram, okay, go and select this extrude and this cut extrude actually. Okay, these two is selected and confirm it. Look, we build this part very quickly. Okay, now I'm not gonna to use this plane again. That's why I'm going to be not confused. I'm gonna to come to plane, right click and hide it. It means that don't show me this plane again. Okay, whenever I need I can, but don't delete, because if you delete, these features will be disappeared actually. This one, normal 2. Now it's time to use actually to cut extrude some parts. One rectangle is here, another rectangle is here, one more rectangle is here. Okay, you can say, okay, these look, these 3 this four line, this one, and this one is equal. Okay, now this two is equal again. Okay, now it's time to put dimension. This one is 22. Distance from here to here is given on the paper as 22. Sorry, 22. This one is 20. Okay. All right. Here to here is 22. And the height is 12. Okay. As you can see, I built this sketch. Everything is black. Now it means that I can go to next. Isometric and confirm, cut extrude. You should select true all and confirm. Okay. As we did here, this is number 3 in the paper. Simply we build this part. I hope you enjoyed this video. I'm gonna to stop this video here, and for this week I will try to build some other videos. Thank you. Have a good day. Keep safe.